The next station is London Bridge.
It's like a plane, isn't it? Oh, I can see the base of the shard over there. Where is it? Ah, but the bridge has got in the way. You can see Canary Wharf.
That looks like it's leading almost.
That's the walkie-talkie, that one. You see the cheese grater too, which is that one where it's like slanted.
Yeah.
To the left. It's meant to have fully automatic lifts in that one. Built by Kone.
Buildings to the way of seeing the sharp property.
Yeah, that walkie-talkie supposedly has got a that little top bit's actually a free guard with people to go in. Apparently, yeah.
Is anyone allowed in it, or just be like a worker?
Well, Ben has been up it, so. Hey, probably Ben is watching this video. Getting from a fly. Yes.
We will shortly be arriving
There we are, that's us.
London Bridge. Please check that you have all of your personal belongings with you when leaving the
Show
train.
the alarms now. Yeah. That's that horrible alarm. That's the back of the button there is. That's cool. Yeah, I was assuming we're this side, but I didn't actually know. There we are. It's fine. Nice coloured buttons. And the London Bridge Station. Let's walk down to the next escalator so you can see, just get some good footage of the station, yeah? Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? It's completely changed since the old days when this place was pretty much a dump. So the 375 departing over there, and this is a Southeastern service from London Charing Cross to Sevenoaks via Grove Park. Okay. We're on platforms 5 and 6. At the very beautiful London Bridge Station, newly reborn. I can hear a traction motors on that network there. Glass Stannah lifts. Although now it's not in service because these platforms are still shut. This station is completely transformed since I was last here. It's really nice. Let's take the lift. Oh, this is a nice lift.
Doors closing.
Oh, that makes me funny.
Oh,
Doesn't it?
what?
Does that make you feel a bit funny?
Yes. This is a very nice glass Stannah lift at the Reborn at London Bridge Station. Platforms 6 and 7, not 4. Don't know why it says lift BREL 4. So this is one very nice station. I must agree.
Level.
Street level. Oh, get out either side. Doors open on both sides.
Doors closing.
And we're at London Bridge. Don't have the barriers yet. So we want to get a drink that way. And that we're still being worked on. Order.